Liz, may coverage ba yung anak ko sa critical illness plan ko since siya yung beneficiary? The answer is no. For critical illness plan, kung sino yung insured, siya yung may coverage. Para saan yung mga nilalagay na beneficiary sa mga critical illness plan? Most of the critical illness plan, ang benefits nila ay life insurance or critical illness, whichever comes first. Beneficiary sa critical illness plan is for death benefit, just in case hindi magkaroon ng critical illness yung insured. Liz, yung maturity date ng plan ko is 2060. So does it mean ba na magbabayad ako until 2060? Short answer is depende sa plan mo. Example, for term insurance, mag-renew until maturity date. For VULs, depende siya sa pagkakadesign. Mayroong mga plans na until maturity date ang pagbabayad. Yung iba naman may premium holiday o pwede ka magpahinga ng pagbabayad as long as may fund value. And then for whole life, may term hanggang kailan ka lang magbayad. Pero yung coverage mo is until maturity date. Fund value na ba yung kinita ko sa VUL? VUL is a life insurance with investment plan. So every time na nagbabayad ka, may amount na napupunta sa insurance, may amount na napupunta sa investment. Example, ang binabayaran mo is 100,000 per year. So let's say sa first year, 60% yung napupunta sa insurance and then 40% yung napupunta sa fund value. In second year, let's say 40% na lang yung insurance charge. So 40,000 napunta sa insurance charge and then 60,000 napunta sa investment. So 40,000 plus 60,000 sa second year. So, yan yung fund value mo. Hindi mo masasabi na yun yung kinita mo since 200,000 yung total na binayad mo. For face amount, ang laging tanong, ito ba yung mapupunta sa beneficiary ko? Ang face amount is yung basehan ng mga life insurance company to compute for their death benefit. Mga plans sa 100%, 150%, or 200% ng face amount ang death benefit. For effectivity date, some people think na kailangan lang nilang mag-sign up bago magkaroon ng coverage, kahit hindi pa sila nagbabayad. Yung iba naman, akala nila kailangan nilang matapos yung pagbabayad nila bago magkaroon ng life insurance. As long as paid and signed in the Philippines yung life insurance mo, at day 1, meron ka ng life insurance coverage. Kahit isang beses ka pa lang nagbabayad.